Cantu. I hope you're ready, but I do believe in you. Please don't let me down. It's not going on moisturizing, and I already feel like it's just, as I was rinsing it out, I was like,
from you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? I've only used one deep conditioner from the brand Cantu before, way back in the day, and my hair actually liked it. Yeah, this one, until it just didn't like it anymore. They came out with a new line sometime back. It was a good while back, but you guys know I'm always late to the party, but when I'm there, it's lit. I'll be trying the Boom Texture by Cantu Strengthen Plus Restore Moisture Mask. And you know we gotta talk about the claims. It claims to hydrate plus nourish, soothes dry scalp, increase hair strength, minimizes hair fall, and also helps to minimize split ends. Cantu, let me come a little closer. You said a lot, but will you live up to your claims? Let it down, let it down, let it down. Let's do a smell test. It's white or cream. I think this is white, but anyway, it's white. Cream, white. It smells like lotion, unscented lotion. Just imagine Jergens without a scent. What's that lotion in a blue bottle? I can't remember, but it just smells like unscented lotion. I'm smelling oils, and there is canola oil in there. I wonder if that's what I'm smelling. She's thick, but not on the creamy thick side. She's just thick, and you guys already know how my hair feels about thick deep conditioners. Let me section real quick. Spray bottle on deck to re-wet my hair because the hair dries out really quickly and I want to apply on damp hair. My hair has only been shampooed. Spritz it good. Spritz it. Work that water in. So let's do the first application. I'm shaking my finger. Not too hard, but it's not coming off. I don't like the smell. But let's apply. Even though it is thick, it went on watery like it melted into my hair one time. But I do feel like I have to apply it on really wet hair. It's not going on moisturizing, and I already feel like it's just sitting on my hair. Let me apply some more, but I think I'm going through shedding season because my hair has been shedding a lot from shampooing to now. But anyway, I'm gonna apply a lot more. Maybe that was a little too much, but I just feel like it's just sitting on top of my hair. I don't feel the hydration as yet. And two, we may have a problem, but I'm gonna give you guys a chance. I'm gonna wait it out, give you a chance. I'm gonna have some patience, but I don't know. I really don't know. Spritz it. Let's see how it works on this texture. Start from the end, center, work my way up towards the root. Start finger detangling. It's going on airy like, spongy-ish like. I still feel like it's sitting on top of my hair and not penetrating well as yet. It doesn't have the most slip, but application is not a challenge per se. It's going on pretty okay for this texture right here. Ooh, you know that feeling where your roots feels like it's pulling? That's what I felt. But the curls are popping though. The curl definition is coming through, especially for the back section right here. My hair has to be really wet for application, I realize. But my facial expressions, you guys can tell that I'm not impressed. So far, not impressed. But we're gonna see. This is what the hair is looking like. The smell is getting to me real bad. It's not a bad smell, it's just making me kind of nauseous. These days I realize I'm very smell sensitive, more sensitive to smell than I was in the past. I'm going to go on to the other side, and while I do this side, I'm going to talk to you guys about single strand knots. Single strand knots, also known as fairy knots, are the small knots that you may find closer to the ends of a single strand of your hair. And yes, I do get them, and it's mostly from when I wear certain hairstyles when my hair is out and not stretched cough wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs. Anyway, because of our unique texture, our curls are always dancing around each other, especially when you're multi-textured, which may cause the little devils to appear. It may be hard to not get them at all, but here are some ways that you can minimize the appearance of single strand. I would recommend that you wear stretched hairstyles a lot more often and style your hair when stretched or dry versus wet. Another thing is to keep your hair, especially your ends, moisturized. When it's dry, it's a lot more prone to tangles and breakage, and that's what the single strand knots love. Also, maybe it's time for you to get a trim, get some clean ends, especially if you have a lot of single strand knots. That may be an indicator of you needing a good trim. It will do you good, trust me. Don't let them things steal your joy. You may see a few here and there, but if it's too much, then you may have a problem. And I gave you some reasons to think about on why you may be getting them a lot more often than usual. Wait, one of you did tell me how to say it in Spanish. Give me a second, let me look for it. La aplicación está hecha. How did I do? The application is done. Spani mommy, what you say? Now that my hair is drying and the product is saturating into the curls and marinating, I'm feeling pequeño moisture. Not much, a little bit. We're going to have to wait until I apply some heat and rinse it out. I'm gonna use the lazy root again today, my heated cap root. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we can leave this in for about 15 minutes and do what it do around the house, you know, do whatever we gotta do, or just chill and not hear the noise in my ears. I mean, every dog has its day, you know, but not today. See you guys in a bit. Cantu. You may or may not have some explaining to do, but we gonna see today. Hair is rinsed out. How we looking before I talk about it? Well, I've been getting into the habit of, not intentionally though, leaving conditioner in my hair because I don't go back in the shower to rinse my hair out. I just put my hair over in the shower and let it rinse out. Let's talk about it. So as I was rinsing it out, I was like, wow, my hair feels so good. The hair feels hydrated. I can feel the hydration now. The hair feels soft, moisturized, nourished. My hair feels so good, guys, and I was not expecting my hair to feel like this because of how I was feeling during the application process. You see, that's why you have to give things time, give things a chance, and just let it play out to see how it's gonna go. I was not expecting my hair to feel this good. Let's really test the claims to see if Cantu was about what they were saying. So my hair does feel hydrated, as I told you guys. My hair feels nourished, yes. I didn't put it in my scalp really, but my hair feels smooth. The cuticles are flat, it's not frizzy, if you know what I mean. And for the other claims, you know, you'll have to continuously use a product to see if that's what it is. But at the end of the day, how you manipulate your hair, the wear and tear, the environment, and all those things play a major role in how much split ends you have and the hairstyles you wear as well. So I don't really think a product can minimize that. Maybe it can help strengthen it to prevent that from happening. I like it. It feels airy and just soft and strong. Cantu. I think I'm in love with the Cantu. Okay, let me stop. Have you used this product before? If you have, let me know how it works for your hair in the comment section down below, and I am going to see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.